My name is Jeff Hofelt. I'm the Vice President of Northern Industrial Manufacturing. We're a Tier 1 automotive supplier to the automotive industry. And we're also high volume, so we produce 50 to 75,000 pieces every day. So one of the major challenges we have is certainly the complexity and the nature of the product in which we produce. And making sure we keep all of those different materials in the positions and progressing through the positions the way they need to be. And more importantly, we get those tools from DELMIAWorks. Anywhere from production reporting to making sure the inventory is in the right location, even down to the customer label that is produced right before the parts are shipped to our customers. DELMIAWorks is this really cool system. We implemented it in 2014, and basically it runs the entire operation. And by run, I mean it enables our people, which are the core of our organization, to be able to do their job seamlessly and easy. After we went live, we've actually won the General Motors Supplier Excellence Award, which is 100% on-time delivery, a 0 PPM, so no parts, no mistakes, and a level of excellence for engineering and supply chain. We've won it 10 out of the 12 years since going live. Primary reasons we launched DELMIAWorks in the first place was to solve our customer touch points. And if there was one digit, probably out of around 3,000 digits that needed to be typed in order to get one customer shipment, if one of those digits was wrong, we would actually get a rejection from our customer. So you could imagine the level of complexity, because humans are only right 95% of the time. We've received about a 50% increase, both in number of customers as well as in volume of business in our factory. And we attribute a lot of that to DELMIAWorks and what we've been able to accomplish. And so we just kept driving technology into our organization, all the way now to the individual viewing of our presses and our equipment as it's running, which in the business is called real-time production monitoring. And absolutely, we went from 0 to hero, and we never would have known that had it not been for the visibility brought on by DELMIAWorks. We couldn't have been happier.